What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, we are back with another banger of a video, guys. Nothing but bullish content on the channel. Tectonic up 2% on the 24-hour, 30,211 people on the watch list, $24 million in market cap from $10 million, right? And it's still a great time to DCA into the project because the potential upside for this project is massive. 658k in 24-hour trade volume. Tonic is on a run, and there's no denying that fact. Look at the 7-day, guys. It is literally on a run to the upside. Look at the 1 month. The 1 month is such a great detail of how bullish Tonic is. Look at how well it's performing against the rest of the market, and the ranks for Tonic just keeps getting better and better. The project just keeps growing, the community just keeps growing, and the team is still putting in that work, right? What I really love to see is how active you guys of the Tonic community are. We're definitely spreading the word. Everyone that's on crypto.com more than likely has heard of Tonic, and as we keep pushing spreading the word of Tonic to the rest of the crypto space, more and more people will know about Tonic, guys. It is absolutely great stuff. Crypto.com will absolutely crush it. Tonic will follow. Tonic is the little brother of Crypto.com, and you know, it's gonna be absolutely crazy, guys. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to support the channel. Let's spread these videos out there. Let's get them into the algorithm so more and more people could know about Tonic. Really helps the channel out as well, and consider this as free marketing, guys, because like I said, more and more people are finding out about Tonic because of my videos, and it's great to see, right? A tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Total supply 244 million, total borrowed 123 million. We're gonna dive deep into you know, any recent updates, anything from the community that we've seen on Tonic. Can't wait for this insurance fund release. That is going to be such a great utility. Tonic has future partnerships that they'll be making as well, and more things will be unveiled for the project. It's going to be absolutely bonkers when we get more and more bullish, right? I'm still debating if this is the start of the bull market or not. I'm not too sure. I'm honestly not too sure, because the bears are still thinking we have to go to 13k first. But if you DCA'd into your projects, it doesn't matter if we go back down from here, right? What seems to be the more logical thing, you know, is that we do have another parabolic move to the upside in the future. Even if we do go lower anytime soon, or in the future months or this year, even if we do go lower, there's still gonna be that moment where we completely recover and go to brand new all-time highs on the great fundamental projects in the space. Only the fundamental projects, because a lot of altcoins won't ever see a new all-time high, right? I really don't think that's gonna be Tonic. Tonic is gonna be one of those altcoins that's gonna make new all-time highs, because the fundamentals of the project are super strong, very elite fundamentals. So much ground to cover on Tonic, so we'll see what happens, guys. Like I said, you won't worry about a thing if you're DCAing. You're accumulating and you're diamond handing. Short-term moves won't really matter to you, because you're looking for those life-changing gains in the future. 100x, 300, 400x, still very possible, still very likely, right? I wouldn't rule it out. That's how crypto is, very unpredictable, right? From Tectonic, which coin has the best chance of a 50x? Bitcoin, Crow, ETH, Tonic. I'm choosing Tonic here, guys. 64% on the poll. Tonic out and stunting right now. Tonic, Crow from Frankie Crypto, Rougi, Tonic obviously from JM Dev. Okay, great stuff, man. Tonic absolutely making waves. 24 likes, 13 retweets. Tonic plus Crow from Frankie Crypto. It's a no-brainer, right? Absolutely no-brainer. From Agent 00, Tonic, Tectonic Fi, tag a project that you trust 100%. And I completely agree with that, Agent. I definitely see great things for Tonic. We've seen it, right? We've seen the move, and what I've noticed is that they have had a lot of other alts that made moves to the upside as well, but they retraced their moves, right? They moved up 100% and came back down, basically like the move never happened. not with Tonic, right? Tonic has made its move to the upside, and it's continuing up further. The people that are taking profits are trying to like get a better entry. I don't know if y'all gonna get it or not. I really don't. It really just depends on if, you know, Bitcoin and ETH decides to you know, fall flat once again. But if that doesn't happen, hey, it's gonna be upside, upside, upside. Bull run is here. Okay, bull run is here. So yeah, DCA, man, don't miss your opportunity. From Rags, Tonic is on a mission. Obviously, that's exactly what I'm saying. Tonic is definitely on a mission, right? Like I said, I've checked. I use KuCoin exchange to do trades, right? Spot trades, no leverage, and I see alts that, you know, move to the upside 50, 100%. Just, you know, instant pump and dumps, right? Then they retrace those moves, and then they go sideways again, back into accumulation phase. What is very interesting and very bullish about Tonic is that it has made this sideways accumulation phase, like the rest of the market. It has made its move to the upside 100%, and it has continued up further. It wasn't just a pump and dump move, right? It made its move, continued, made a retrace, and has continued up with the rest of the market. Now, if this is the start of the bull market, expect, now there's gonna be ups and downs along the way, but it's just gonna be a continuous uptrend, a continuous bullish pattern, just up and to the right for Tonic, right? Now, if the bears are correct and we do see a move back down, then we'll have a move back down, obviously. Like if the DXY goes back up, or, you know, there's a dump, huge dump in the stock, in the S&P 500 stock market, there's going to be a dump in Bitcoin, ETH again, which is the lead market mover. So there's going to be a dump in Tonic and Crow, right? But if that doesn't happen, and this is the start of the bull, I don't know what to tell you if you're on the sidelines still, okay? There's still a lot of people on the sidelines waiting for lower. If this is the start of the bull, you're gonna get wrecked. you're gonna get absolutely wrecked if you're still on the sidelines, okay? I don't like to take those chances. I really don't. I'm not gonna take those chances, guys. I'm not gonna be sidelined here waiting for lower, and then lower never comes, okay? And then you're FOMOing in when Tonic and other projects are already up 500%, 1,000%. Ain't no way. No way, guys. I'm telling you, okay? That's why I always say DCA accumulate. That's it. DCA accumulate. Manage your risk, obviously. But yeah, that's the smartest way to go when you DCA, because if it goes down, you're DCAing in. If it goes up, you're DCAing in. And then your average when you get to the bull cycle is going to be a great average, right? Next, we have from Tectonians, 48 trillion Tonic is staked currently. Is this correct? Wow, what? 48 trillion Tonic is staked? Anyone in the community can confirm that. Let me know in the comment section. So that's around $10 million in Crow. Wow, man, that is absolutely insane. And you know, that is great as well, because that is taking so much coins out of circulation, because Tonic is a DeFi project. When all of those coins are being staked, that is helping with its supply, right? That is helping with the supply of Tonic to, you know, a lot of people that are worried about the supply. When all of these coins are staked, they're technically out of circulation. 48 trillion Tonic, man. That is some bullish stuff, some great stuff. Shout out to Tectonians for that. Tectonic billionaire. Could Tonic possibly be the best investment right now? It definitely is for us blue collar workers trying to become millionaires in the next 3 to 5 years. Billions staked on and vaulted. And VVS from Got the Sauce, Way with Words, Canon. Hey, shout outs to the Tonic community, man. Definitely one of the best investments from what I've seen when it comes to altcoins. I'm just talking about from the charts. The facts are in the charts, guys. The facts are in the charts. I've seen so many charts. I've been doing my best to, you know, like I said, trade, right? And I've seen so many charts. The facts are in the charts for Tonic, right? You can see it right here, right in front of you. It's such a great pattern. It's a bull pattern up and to the right. And once we go into, like, say we do go into the bull cycle, it's just gonna keep going up and to the right until we hit the new top for the next cycle. You know, from Done Doolittle, a very good passive income from Tonic for just 10 days of staking my tokens. So he has $273 of Tonic in rewards, 1.25 billion Tonic rewards from how much he has staked in the vaults, right? It's another thing as well, huge passive income that you get from Tectonic. It's great to see. It's absolutely great to see the type of passive income you get from Tonic, guys. Love it so much, right? Blockchain apes, Crow looking like it's about to bust. So Crow is on the move as well. Never forget, when Crow does well, Tonic does well. Can't forget VVS as well, guys. Those are the three. Those are the three for me. Crow, Tonic, VVS, and Crow making some moves as well. And yeah, most of the, like I said, most of the mass adoption I see for crypto is gonna be from crypto.com, because it's such a great platform. I think it's one of the best platforms in the space, right? Very easy to use for most people. So when, you know, a lot of the new retail gets into the space, they're gonna use Crow. They're gonna bag themselves up some Crow, some Tonic, obviously, as well, right? From G, have no doubts, Tectonic is going to be huge. Totally agree with that. I see nothing but great things for the future of the project. The facts are in the charts, guys. The facts are in the charts for Tonic. It's absolutely gonna melt faces and crush it in the future. Shout outs to the Tonic community, man. You guys are putting in that work, and I appreciate all the support that you give on these videos. Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're new to the project, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Is this a project that you'd be bullish on? Let me know in the comments, right? Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.